Hi everyone, I am Sophia Roe. I work as a stylist here in Copenhagen. Today we're here to talk about this season's top 4 jewelry trends. Pearls are always perfect for summer. The fresh water, going to the beach in the summertime. I think also because of the reflectiveness and the surface, you know, that bright light, various of colors. Yeah, it's very summer. The best way to rock a beachy boho vibe is to always have in mind that you have completely creative freedom. Don't be afraid to layer your necklaces. Go for natural materials and mix it with neutral tones. Wearing liquified shapes always add an organic touch, a one-of-a-kind feel to your everyday look. There are 2 ways to make your beads look fresh for summer. One is to wear one as a statement piece with a bit of color to make it pop, to stack it and make it personal, really just play with it. Thank you so much for watching. What's your favorite summer trend? We'd love to know, and leave a comment below, and see you soon again.